Hello and welcome to another quilting video. I'm Olivia and today we've got another quick quilting question. Today's question is, how do I trim my half square triangles? I've got two different answers for you today, so take a look, try them both out and decide which one's best for you or your specific project. If these videos are helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. We're keeping things simple and so we're not using a specialized ruler or anything. The only thing you need to make sure of here is that your ruler has a 45-degree line running out from the corner. As long as the ruler has that line, then you can use whatever size you've got. Just make sure that both edges of your ruler are longer than the edges of your block. The first strategy is, I think, the most common method. Here's my half square triangle that's been pressed open, and I want to trim it down to a 2.5 inch square. I'm going to line up the seam line with that 45-degree angle line. I'm checking that the half square triangle extends out past the 2.5 inch line here. And then I just trim around the two outside edges and rotate the block and repeat. This time I just make sure that the two previously cut edges align exactly with the 2.5 inch line. Trim over here and we're done. The second method uses that same ruler plus some kind of colored tape. I'm adding a line of tape connecting the 2.5 inch marks on each side of the ruler. But this time the half square triangle is still closed. I haven't pressed it open yet. I'm going to line up the seam line, not the edge, the seam line, with the tape line. And I'm going to trim down those two edges and we're done. Still needs a press, but there you go. When you do press this one, you just have to be careful not to push the square out of alignment. You don't want a wonky square. But other than that, you're good to go. If this video was helpful, please give it a like down below and subscribe for more quick quilting videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.